Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 5 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. This is the 5 peso coins of the Philippines. In front or overs, you will see here the portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo. And on the upper side, you will see here the Republika ng Pilipinas. On the lower side, you will see here the year 1998. Now I will show you the reverse side of this coin. This is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas here. And on this side, you will see here the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And on the lower side, there is a year 1993. Okay, let's continue. By the way, guys, later I will show you the error of this coin. So stick around. Now let's continue. The 1998 Philippine 5 peso coin is part of the BSP coin series, features Emilio Aguinaldo on the obverse and was minted in nickel brass. While commonly circulated 1998 5 peso coin without a mint mark are notable, often struck by the Royal Canadian Mint. Now let's talk about the coin details. Design. Obverse features Emilio Aguinaldo, reverse has the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas seal. Varieties. Exists with and without a mint mark, with some produced by the Royal Canadian Mint. Now let's talk about the value. Generally low for circulated coins, but uncirculated versions might hold higher value for collectors. Uncirculated BU or brilliant uncirculated pieces are highly sought after by collectors. So guys, I will not mention any amount if we're talking about the value of this one, because the collector will tell you the exact amount or value of this one if this is a collectible. But anyway, let's continue. Minting. This coin replaced the 5 peso banknote, part of a series minted from 1995 to 2017. And now let's talk about the mint mark. According to collectors, a 1998 coin with a distinct mint mark can be worth more, while those without one are more common. Now, by the way guys, please note that coin value can vary based on condition and demand among collectors. So guys, this as I mentioned earlier, I will show you the error of this coin. Okay, this is the error. You will see here in front of this coin, this is the number 5. On the lower, there is a piso. So what I saw here is only I, this one is I, letter S, and this one is O. So the letter P right here is missing. So the error of this coin is letter P. Because this coin is no letter P. The letter P is missing right here. And there is no letter P over here. You see here. I will focus the coin. You see it right here. There is no letter P. Piso. So the error of this coin is letter P. Okay guys. This is the error of this coin. There is no letter P. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.